Good day, traders, and welcome to our trading. So we have weekly trading ideas here. Basically, we have some quick trades that I will mention. We have gold trade. We have potential gold trade short around 70.75. There was a short trade, but I was kicked out because of this OPEC positivity. Gold has a lot of room till next resistance, so around 1776 we might be having a sell trade. So I'm looking to sell gold around these levels. This will be September support. Probably the market will get there. However, if you don't see reactions at this level, pay attention to 1789 zone, which actually 7076 to 7089 is the zone for potential shorts on gold, because I think that gold is still bearish. We have a lot of lower highs and a series of lower lows. This is the ultimate support, but gold keeps being rejected at every rally, so it's short for me. Regarding S&P, I have some positions here, and I think that 42.40 will be hit. These trades have been done in my ECS live Telegram channel group. So having very good profits now on the S&P 500. Next one, what I am looking at is, of course, the GBP dollar. GBP dollar bounced up from this level. However, 36.37 looks like a tough nut to crack. If this market closes with a bearish candle, this is going to be another short. But we need to see the bearish candle close. Australian dollar, New Zealand is also setting up for a potential short. However, be wary of the RBA statement later during the day. Up move will happen above 88.6, which is 1.0507. A down move might happen from this zone, 46.70 to 1.0507. So this is again shorting zone, because this market is effectively in a downtrend. All right. Next thing is oil. Oil is bullish. It broke up above this level, but this is a reaction to OPEC positivity. There was OPEC news today, and basically they agreed to actually plan to make an output for something like 400,000 barrels per dollar, and this was a pre-planned output. So market got into bullish mode, breaking previous resistance. However, watch for 79.18, 17, because from this spot market might go retest this level. 76.60 is the zone to watch for, because if this zone breaks, we will be in another move down. I don't like to buy when the price is high, so only buy at the discounted price. And I think that oil can get discount for a better long, but here we maybe will see a short trade. Unfortunately, I didn't take this long, but as I say, this could go down with a strong momentum, so get ready for that. The final trade that I want to show you is the Gbpn. For me, Gbpn is bearish. This is shoulder head shoulder formation, a potential rooftop pattern here. See how it looks. This is a rooftop. All right. So bearish candlestick close after this day will be a signal for a short, but have in mind that market needs to break 149.22 for an extended move down. We will see how it will get, but usually when yen gets stronger, equities drop, and this is the correlation between equities and yen. Thank you guys for listening. I will be here with you soon. These were quick trading ideas. For more, join the ECS Live by going to the website, signing up for the service. See you very soon. Bye for now.